Hey everybody, this is James and I'm back with more devlog updates of my GamesPlusJam game entry. We've been doing a few more cool things with the game, so let's just dive in and see what's been happening since the last video. So in the last video I demonstrated the new juggle event, but there was a couple of strange problems with that. For example, when you're over at the sides, there was things like the balls stop suddenly working, which I realised was the problem, that I had special areas set up outside the area to make the balls, if for some reason they got out of those zones, not be counted anymore. But the problem is when I moved the little barriers at the sides here outwards a little bit, then I forgot to move those zones, so that was ending up with, in the other stages, weird things happening. So I fixed that problem, obviously, and did a few other fixes to the juggling to make it all work a little bit nicer. I also added the ability to, once you have reached your target, you can see in the top right corner up here, it says press F to finish. So once you have you've juggled all your balls and reached the gold medal level, you can just quickly end the event. And with that done, I went on to adding another event into the game. This time I added in a little long jump event. So you have to run up really fast. You choose your angle to aim with, which there's no display for that at the moment on the screen. In the top left corner, in this version of it, that's the angle that you choose. I do go and improve that a little bit later. But the idea is you run, and then you jump, and then however far you go, that's how much of a medal you'll get. And it was a lot of fun to work on this one. I think this is another fun little game, and it works really well with the floppy armed character we have, because you're essentially just throwing yourself forward and landing on the ground. So I got that all in place, and then I went ahead and added another slight variation of that event, which is this triple jump event. You can see I've done a bit more work on the screen here. So the angle in the bottom left corner shows you what angle you can have when you're running and jumping, and you have a little bar that tells you where the jump point is that you reach. So a bit of a UI improvement. When you jump, and this is triple jumping, so you jump 3 times to get your full distance. And again, it feels a lot of fun. I think the extra little spin he does to do that works really nicely and helps it feel a lot more fun as you're going. But I'm enjoying how these events are turning out. I'm going to try and get a whole bunch more done today. But in general, how they're all playing together kind of feels fun and feels nice. I like the style of this game. I always enjoy making random little mini game collections of games. Someday I'll make a huge, big, massive game just purely full of mini games, I'm sure. But that's one day for the future. But for now, that's where the game currently stands. It's been a lot of fun working this, and we're just over halfway through the time working on the game now. So there's a lot more things to get done in the next couple of days, but they're all doable. What day is today? Today is Thursday when I'm recording this, so we have Thursday, Friday, all day Saturday, and most of the day on Sunday to get some more cool events into the game, and then get all the audio and get the visuals up to the level that I want them to be. At the moment, there's a lot of placeholder art on the ground, for example, when you're doing any of these events, but all of that will be improved and made to look a lot better. But there we go. There's just your update for today. I'll be back tomorrow with more information about the game, and hopefully soon we'll have a version that everybody will be able to play and have a bit of fun with. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Keep being amazing.